Top headlines for the day.
As we all know that Salman Khan returned to Manali to resume the remaining shooting of Kabir Khan's Tubelight. And guess what? His recent pictures have just come right from the sets of the film, in which one can see Sallu again in his famous sweater look, and he is with a cute little kid. And we must say Sallu is looking so adorable in this picture that any girl would go gaga over him. है ना? Well, after completing the shoot of Bigg Boss 10's opening episode, Sallu yesterday went to Manali. However, he might be missing his family and friends due to his tight schedule. But we are sure that his films would definitely make us surprised with its solid and entertaining content. Well, his upcoming film Tubelight is all set to hit the theatres on Eid 2017. So, aren't you guys excited for the film? Do let us know in the comment section below.
We've seen Bigg Boss 10 contestant Om Swami, who made Salman Khan speechless with his promise to get a girl of his choice. But now, we came across with a shocking video of Baba, which will leave you all the more stunned. Apparently, the video of a news channel debate has gone viral in which Swami slapped his co-panelist Deepa Sharma. Now, isn't that shocking? Well, in the debate after heated argument in which Swami questioned the integrity of Ms. Sharma, the female panelist got up and warned the Bigg Boss contestant to not get personal. Then what? Angry Om Swami slapped Deepa on a national television. Whoa! After knowing about the shocking behavior, it would be interesting to see how he would behave inside the Bigg Boss house. What do you think? Will he behave like a saint or will he be wild? Let us know in the comments section below. One witnessed the dhamakedar launch episode of Bigg Boss's new season with its super host Salman Khan, and the episode had Deepika Padukone as their first guest, who came along with a suitcase. Mastani was excited and happily entered the madhouse to everyone's surprise. But little did they know that she had actually ventured to promote her first Hollywood action film, XXX: The Return of Xander Cage, which would release in the month of January 2017. Bhai, who was all happy to greet her on the show, was equally thrilled about her action movie. They did share their fun moments, making one and all gleeful till the end. And as a ritual, both had their selfie moment too. But jogging down the memory lane, Kat also had come onto the show to promote her movie Fitur, and both shared their selfie time too. So people, whose selfie was better with Bhai, Kat or Dippy's? Do give us your take. One knows the Cold War between the ace director Sanjay Leela Bhansali and the superstar Salman Khan. So at the launch episode, when Dippy had come as a guest, she planned to stay inside the house for some time. So Salman asked her whom would she want to see in the house among the actors. She quickly replied Aamir. Later again asked her to select other celebrities, and there were pictures of Karan Johar and Sanjay Leela Bhansali, though Bhai called him Om Prakash Mehra. Later, Bhai did apologize, but it looked quite deliberate. Actually, things went sour between the two when Bhaijan mocked Sanjay's film Guzarish. So once openly, he said that Bhansali should learn how to be calm like Suraj Barjatia on the film sets. Also, Bhai has an amazing sense of humor, and also he doesn't believe in mincing words. It looks like Bhai is still miffed with him and things aren't sorted yet. Do you think the dig was deliberate or was it by mistake? Do let us know. Bigg Boss Season 10, the most popular and controversial show, started with a bang. Bhaijan Salman Khan was at his best, and not to forget the mixed bunch of contestants who have entered the house. Many grabbed attention, but mostly the one who got her share of limelight was the beauty queen Lopamudra Raut. She already stole the limelight when she represented India at Miss United Continents 2016 and went to bag the second runner-up spot in the competition. So surely she has played her cards well and paved the way to the top. And now we came across a few pictures on the internet which will leave you awestruck for sure. Isn't she drool-worthy? In fact, we feel her hot bod is something which will definitely rise the temperatures inside the house and also a big plus point for the TRPs. So Bigg Boss fans, did she skip your heartbeat? Do you see her as one of the finalists? Do let us know.
As we all know that Vijay Bani and Rahul Dev have always been avoiding being a part of the controversial show Bigg Boss. But this year, they have finally entered in the Bigg Boss 10 house. But do you know we got very interesting news from these two? Well, it has been exclusively revealed that Vijay Bani and Rahul Dev are the highest paid contestants of Bigg Boss 10. Yes guys, a source revealed Bani and Rahul are being paid the highest amount of money this year. They have been approached by the makers since last few seasons, considering the two of them are known to have a personality which will boost the TRPs, but every time they refuse the offer. So when the producers were knocking at their doors yet again with a huge sum of money this year, the offer was too tempting for both of them to let go. Whoa, so guys, what do you think about knowing the highest paid contestants of Bigg Boss 10? Let us know in the comment section below.
For all those who love Ram Gopal Varma's Sarkar, here's the first look of its third franchise. The director himself shared it to his Twitter handle. The central character of Subhash Nagre, played by Amitabh Bachchan, Sarkar 3 cast includes a lot of new stars like Yami Gautam, Ronit Roy, Manoj Bajpayee, Amit Saad, Jackie Shroff, Bharat Dabolkar and Rohini Hattangadi. 1 year in Sarkar 3, Yami will be seen as someone who wants to take revenge from him for killing her father. By the first look, each one can firmly say that each character has a strong presence in the film, isn't it? Be it Manoj's violent look or Amit's volatile character, each shade speaks volumes about the film. So all Ram Gopal Varma and thriller fans, did you like the first look? Do you think it's going to be a hit? Do let us know in the comments section below. One witnessed the Dhamakedar launch episode of Bigg Boss's new season with its super host Salman Khan. And not to forget, the episode had Deepika Padukone as their first guest. But now, Bigg Boss is already making headlines, and this time cause of Antara. Yes, the Mona Lisa of Bhojpuri industry has been hogging most of the limelight on the internet for her boldness. Apparently, her bold and steamy video from her movie has gone viral, which has grabbed too many eyeballs. Wearing a black bikini, it shows Antara lying in a compromising position with a man who's literally on her top. A typical lovemaking scene, isn't it? One can imagine what the madhouse would witness soon, which would also push to grab the TRPs as every season does. Did you guys really like the lovemaking sequence? Will Antara provide the necessary masala in Bigg Boss? Do punch in your thoughts in the comments section below. Salman Khan's Bigg Boss 10 has gone on air, and the first controversy has also taken place. Yes guys, on the opening episode of the show, an Aam Aadmi contestant, Om Swami, has made some anti-feminist comment. However, ex-contestant of Bigg Boss 9, Priya Malik, who has always been known for her outspoken nature, recently lashed out on the show. She wrote on her Twitter handle, "No one questions Swami's belief about hating women who don't cover themselves. Really? A man can get on a national television and claim how women have benefited from his violent streak and no one questions him? Wow! It seems like Priya is thoroughly upset and disappointed with Swamiji's thoughts about women. So guys, what do you think? Does Priya's disappointment applicable for Swamiji's comment about women? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments section below.
Priyanka Chopra has recently supported Salman Khan while commenting on the issue of banning Pakistani actors and artists in India. The actress has said that she is extremely patriotic, but the ban on Pakistani artists is not the point. The safety of Indian soldiers and their family is. Moreover, Priyanka is the daughter of an army officer and said that she would go along with whatever the government thought was right, but also asked that why actors were singled out in this discussion. Whoa, after her statement, have you noticed that her views are so similar to Sallu's views about the same? है ना? Well, this clearly shows that actress is indirectly supporting Salman's views. So guys, what do you think about her support to Salman? Do let us know in the comment section below. As we all know that yesterday Salman Khan launched his show Bigg Boss 10 on a grand scale. And now the actor again flew off to Manali to complete the remaining shoot of Kabir Khan's Tube Light. We recently spotted Salman Khan at Mumbai airport. He was wearing Being Human t-shirt and denim in which he was looking nothing less than a cool dude. Oh my, Sallu was looking so hot and elegant. Well, his upcoming film Tube Light is based on Sino-Indian War 1962, in which an Indian boy falls in love with the Chinese girl played by Zuzu. Moreover, Bhai is playing a special character in the film for the very first time, whereas his brother Sohail Khan will be seen playing a role of a soldier in the film. Well, Tube Light will be releasing on Eid 2017. So, aren't you guys excited for Tube Light? Do let us know in the comment section below.
Well, Karan Johar is all set with his upcoming movie Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and so has started with the promotions. And guess where he landed to promote his movie? Straight on the sets of Comedy Nights Bachao Taza. Yes, Kejo along with his lead actor Ranbir Kapoor went on to promote his Diwali Dhamaka movie on this comedy show. With funny boners like Krishna Abhishek, Bharti Singh around, one can imagine what gala time did they have on the sets, isn't it? One can see through the picture which we came across on Twitter. Kejo is currently facing a lot of issues at professional front since his movie has a Pakistani actor, Fawad Khan. Political party has threatened to delete the parts which Fawad Khan has played or else face the music. But to catch this rib-tickling episode, we need to tune in to the edit box. And do let us know whether you laughed your lungs out in the comment section below.
Shilpa Shetty's world turned upside down when her father passed away a few days back. Since then, many actors and celebrities have comforted on her loss. But Shilpa shares a different type of bond with Salman Khan. Salman has been a pillar of strength and support to Shilpa. Shilpa had recollected her long-standing friendship with Salman in an interview. Here is what she said. When I went through a low phase in my life, Salman was the only guy who stood by me. I remember Dhadkan wasn't declared a hit. Only a week later did the movie take off. But for that 1 week after its release, there was a lull in my life. Salman Khan then called up and said, a producer is going to come and he wants to sign you for a movie. I don't know if Dhadkan has done well, but please do this film. So he is all heart and he is someone who believes in people and goes all the way for them. Well, we surely agree with you, Shilpa. Salman has always been there to help his friends and acquaintances. So guys, what do you think about Salman's helpful nature? Comment below.